1 bar of C, 1 bar of D. Let's start with whole notes here. 1, 2, ready, go. C major, 2. Okay, get ready for that D major. Let's make 2. Now back down to that C major. As long as we're in time for beat 1. Yeah. 3, get ready for that D major. 2. Now back to C major, yeah. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2. Oh, that was a little rough there, wasn't it? 2. I should probably take a break. 2, 3, 4, and D major. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Back to C major. 3, 4. Up to D major. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, and C. There's that high E string. You'll find that sometimes you have to make slight adjustments.